I'm gonna unbox this bad boy and see what we got. Met JT and Saz. Oh, okay, Ride or Drive met. All right, that's dope. That's cool, man. That's what's up. That's nice, man. I saw everybody had a good time. I saw the posting. Let's see. 20 more seconds. 20 more seconds, and I'm gonna unbox live. This might be the first time somebody unboxed a new product for a Ryker live. I mean, I know people do it on Instagram, but on YouTube, I don't know. But here we go. Let's do it. Let's start unboxing this bad boy. See what we got. Okay. Okay. I'm hoping to be a Houston. Let's get you there. Let's get Heather to Houston. Get to the WAP. All right, here we go. I kind of figured this might have been it, though. This is cool. All right, so here we go. There's a few things in the box, but I'm only going to give out one of these things. Well, there's more than there's 4 things in here. First, let's do this. The new. Hey, Rhonda, what's up? How are you? The new floorboards for the Can-Am Ryker. Here we go. The new ones. Which ones are these? I don't know what color they are. Oh, these are the red ones. These are the red ones. So that's the first thing out of the box. We're going to unbox these. And yes, Heather, you was right. And we're going to unbox these and check these out and see how these are. All right. So let's unbox these. This is cool. I haven't seen the item yet. JT, the grips and the floorboards. JT got them. All right. Of course, you get your little show chrome and thank you card. What a nice company. Me on 3. Thanks for the stickers. I hope. Oh, okay, no problem. Heather, you was on point. All right, here we go. This is the first set. Take it out the plastic. Don't worry, you're gonna get the box. You know what? I'll make a person pick. This is 3 things you get to pick which one you're gonna get the winner. So these are it. These are nice aluminum. This is cool too. You get to mount them forward or backwards depending on your comfort level. And it comes with brackets so you can still fold them up. This is red, powder coated, nice weight. It's got a texture here so your foot don't slip. And it's not hollowed out, so you got some brace on the bottom. This is a solid product. Like if I wanted to, if it could come off, I could probably knock somebody out with it. Really, almost like a brass knuckles. This thing is rough right here. This is good. Oh, I like that, Rhonda. Heather, we hook you up. Don't worry, we got you. That's easy. Michael Smith, I see you in there. Thank you. Thank you, Ride Drive. Yeah, these are pretty cool. They're angled. They're nice. They got a little shape. You know, they're like angled. They got those nice lines of the Ryker. These are dope. All right, so this is the first thing. So I'm gonna put that away for now, guys. Let me put this away. So Rhonda says she's gonna be at the WAP with her luggage. Or well, the WAP or Milan? What did she say? Anyway, what did she say? Oh, she'll be a WAP because my girl Rhonda lost. She didn't lose her luggage. Somebody with the same color bag, I believe it was, picked up her bag, and they switched at the airport. So my girl Rhonda was there. She didn't have her luggage, man. She had Houston for the weekend, no luggage, man. I felt so bad, but it didn't dampen her spirits, man. She was out there having a good time. You know, shout out to my girl Rhonda, man. All right. Other thing in the box. You already know. I love these anyway, but you already know The hand grips. The hand grips. So let's open these bad boys up. Time to replace the razor. Let's see. All right. Hand grips. Let's take them out. I already did a video review on these. I kind of knew they was coming in the box, but for those who didn't see, check it out. So let's do an unboxing to see what we get. Of course, some packing material, all the Ryker accessories, and your guy on the cover there. Look at that. Look at that. Looking cool. And of course, the thank you card. And oh, these are the black ones. I had the red grips. I haven't seen the black ones, so this is new to me. I got to watch out how I hold the grips because I got some silly ass comments in the last comments about how I was handling the grip. I don't want to be all funny. Okay, I'll do it the right way, but you know, it's a grip is a grip, but whatever. So yes, everybody's laughing. It was common. So I'll do it a different way. Here is the grip. Right? It comes black metal and it's rubber grip on it, right? Inside the grip, there's rubber, right? So all the way through, there's rubber on the grip, right? So it's actually a dampening, so the grip won't shake and vibrate as much when you. And it's got a wider grip, helps with your old arthritis, whatever you want to call it. I call it arthritis, but it's arthritis. Kind of helps with that carpal tunnel too. And you can mount it any way you want to face the grip. So I rubber on the outside. Questions about the grip? Go ahead. What questions? Does the grip really help with vibration? Yes, and I'll tell you why. There's a thick rubber in here, and that rubber absorbs more of the thicker the rubber, the more vibration it will absorb. Attach these with some end weights, and yes, you'll cut the vibrations down. So yes, it is worth. Okay, the part of the grip that's metal, thank you, Heather, is the shiny black is metal. Right? The shiny black is metal. And nope, I had them in the summer. Well, I had them in the hot weather. I don't think they would get hot because the rubber kind of sits a little bit above it. So you're not really squeezing. You're not really totally grabbing the metal. It's possible they could get hot, but I think because of this rubber, you're not really going to be touching too much of the metal. So, but it is a good question. Appreciate that. So these are the black grips. We put these away. I handled them long enough, and you guys got to see what it looked like. So I'm gonna put these away. And yes, this is one of the items. So when I do the giveaway, you will be able to pick one of the 4 items that are in this box. Some pretty cool stuff coming up. Hold on. More cool stuff. Kind of heavy. Okay, I just spilled everything. All right. So next, we got another set of grips. We got the black ones. I'm hoping they're black. Let's see. Let's open these bad boys up. This is cool. A live unboxing. This has got to be a first. Yes, they are the black. Okay. Put that down. So these are the black floorboards. Those aren't grips. No, these aren't grips. These are floorboards. Okay. Thank you for correcting me. That's why you got to have somebody help you do this. If I win, I'll pass one of my 3 minutes. All right, that's cool. Thank you. Appreciate that. Whoever wins, wins. I saw JT powder coated his blue. They came out pretty dope. Here's the black. Same concept as the red. Sasha, thank you for checking it. Appreciate Sasha. I hope you're doing all right. I know you had a little fender bender. Shout out to Sasha. Well wishes, but I saw you out and about, so you must be doing pretty good. So I hope your bike's all right, and can't wait to see you back on the road soon. Juju, how you been? Good for you. How's everything? My friend Juju. Martha, do we have any for the RT? You would have to go to showchrome.com and see what accessories they have for the Spider. Right now, they shoving Ryker at me, so this is what I promote. Same thing with the red. You have two spots to mount. Comes with the hardware to make it flip up and down, but this is all black. Comes with the little grips. It's got little rays here, so there's no slipping. And yes, you can mount them forward and back, and they tilt and everything. So that's the black ones. And one more thing coming up in the box. So it's 4 items in the box. Put that away, and boom, 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 boom. Now this is crazy because this fits the Spider and the Ryker. So these are turn signals. Spider and Ryker. So if you have either one, this fits. I think it does. Slayer from Can-Am. Spider and Ryker. Yep. So let's open these bad boys up. And here we go. All the cool stuff that comes with it. Installation instructions. And here they go right here. Let me take them out. Now, the cool thing about this, it is a plug and play item. That means there's no splicing wires, no nothing. And these are they're tinted. So they have tinted and amber. This is the tinted version. I might keep the tinted version. You might get the amber. These are tinted. And what's cool about it, they're dotless LEDs. So what happens is you don't see those 100 little dots, those spaced out dots. They put a diffuser over it, so it just looks like one shiny light going back and forth. One shiny light. So yes, please, everybody give this video a good thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. I would love it so much. Please, whatever you can. Anything you could do with the video will always help me. It always helps the algorithm. It helps me get these videos out. So this is a plug and play item, which is cool. So it's going to come with everything you need. There's no splicing. It'll work directly with the wiring. So it comes with everything, right? This is going to plug into your turn signal on your fender. It's going to do a bypass and a split connection. Bang, boom. And when you hit the turn signals, pow, right? Put this away. So somebody's going to win this. They're probably going to have to win the amber because I'm keeping the black one. Sorry. Shadow Black Ryker gets it first. But I give them to you in amber. Whatever you want. So if you got a Spider, which is cool, boom, you can get that if you win. Cookie B instantly upgraded her. All right. So my girl Heather's here. And she hasn't been out for a while. She's been busy. You know, work, love life, all that cool stuff.